to Hidden something or other here.
Lake.
Hidden Lake. And there's a nice view. We got a little blue sky this morning here too. So that's looking good for us. We heard a squirrel back there squeaking away. So yeah.
This is a bear frequenting area.
July 26, 2021. We started the boardwalk here.
They're very easy to get
We're
stuck.
right down the trail here. Okay.
The one to the left, not the overlook.
Well, we're still going up on the boardwalk here. It's all uphill and rather steep steps. Just stop a little bit to catch my breath. Well, there's the rest of the group. They stopped too. We still got to go way up to the top up there. Okay. And we have a lot of flowers in here too. As you can see down here, right next to the boardwalk, because the boardwalk is right here. And I'm just off to the side. So you can see all the different flowers. Everything here looks pretty good. Very nice breeze here. We're going up. We're about 7,100 feet here. So a little bit less oxygen. But that's where we're going. All right. Well, still walking up. The rest of the group is down there. But I want to get a head start on them because I'm a little slow going uphill. So we're just going to walk up here. We got valley in back of us, flowers on either side. They come over on this side here. We got more of the valley in back of us here. Still a good number of wildflowers here. Not peak season, but still there's a good number of them here. So got a bug flying in my ear. All right, got to keep walking up. Ed Getley signing off. All right. And there's the rest of our group down there. You see them all down there. I had to get a head start because I make a lot of stops coming uphill. They'll catch up to me real fast though. So got more to go, more up high. Let's go. Come a long way and it's been all uphill. I'm ahead of the group because I'm real slow. I take my time. I like quiet time. So we're here at a little waterfall. Still have my feet in the water because I still got my shoes on, but nice clear water going down there. Nice and cool right here. With a bit of a breeze. Water coming down from the glacier up there. A number of people stopped here. So taking a little rest. A little rest. All right. Little creek here, or water runoff from the snow. And we still got a ways to go up here yet. The trail goes way up there. All right. Finally made it to the top. I'm at the observation deck where everybody is, so the rest of the group will be catching up to me. And here's the view from up at the top. It's quite nice. Nice and breezy. I don't know the name of that lake, but I'll take a picture and find out later for you there. Some people saw some bighorn sheep up in the distance with binoculars, but I didn't see them. So yeah, good view from up here. And right here on the boardwalk. There's a long trek coming up. Long uphill, all uphill trek. Going to be downhill, except for the first section. Going back is a little uphill. It's all downhill. We have all the rest of the people here, and back over here. And I saw the sheep way up there, up top there somewhere. I don't know where they are, but they're up there. Okay. July 26th. 2021, finally made it up to the top. You may not be able to hear me too well because I don't have the sponge thing on here and you're going to get a lot of wind noise, so that's why I have to talk a little bit loud. But see the wind, the lake in back of me here, everything looks pretty good. Mountains back there, everybody having snaps here on the boardwalk, and coming around here. I got to keep my hat on because it's kind of windy up here. It's looking good. It was a long hike up here. We made it there. All right, gotta talk a little loud here. nothing. Sorry.
As soon as you left, Noah. He's already.
Don't let him inside it. You don't need water?
No, no. Stay away. Stay away. I got nothing. I got nothing. No, no, no. Hey, stay away. You gotta wait. Get away.
Something good up there.
No, that's nothing. But it's a good camera. That's. Stay away. Yeah, come on, scram.
Thank you.
On to,
Here you go. Here's a good meal for you. I got him.
We'll just let you through then.
He's just used to people here, probably. Oops, sorry. Just walking along, looking for food. Doesn't mind us. He's found a shady spot. He's doing munchies. It's right there. He's got a little trail. He's being very friendly. Needs a little shave. What's he eating there? He's coming out this side.
Yeah,
there he
he
is.
wow. That's incredible.
He's probably so used to people, doesn't even bother him.
Bighorn sheep are away.
Yeah, yeah, we saw them
saw
through
those?
the
Yeah.
scope. Yep.
I was on your back. Right there next to you. What's he doing?
I think he got a piece of bean.
Doesn't look like a ground squirrel. He looks like a turkey.
Yep, they have a similar.
Down a trail, saw some more goats up there and a bighorn that were up in the mountain. Saw a lot of animals, and that one that was next to the boardwalk, that goat that was there for like 45 minutes munching on one spot. He did move a little bit, and we got a little runoff here,
On that ice, but I think I see them laying down.
and nice view here as we come out over the water there. Very nice, very nice. Another little creek with runoff probably from the snow up there, coming down this creek here, and it's coming down here. And what's going to happen to it is comes across the boardwalk and goes out to this nice little pond here. All right. On the way back down from the top, nice view, all the rocks out there. And it's a long way down. We have to go around this hill over here on the other side. Still have to pass the waterfalls too. A little steep going down here on the boardwalk. Gotta watch my step here. All right, a little brook here. Water coming down from two sides here. There's the one waterfall that we had over there, and there's more and more stuff that's trickling down from up there where we come into these little streams here that's coming down from up top. And you can see the water's flowing quite a bit. It's like 2:15 in the afternoon, so the sun is heating up the snow, so it's melting a little more. So this is running a little faster now than it was on the way up because of the sun heat, I would guess. And it goes down here on the other side, flows out here and down the mountain. There it goes. All right. Well, pretty much back to the boardwalk section. It's going to be all boardwalk going down here, zigzagging back, coming all way down there. You'll see the visitor center, see the parking lot down there somewhere. That's where we're headed. So we did do a pretty good climb. I'll have to look it up on Google Maps and tell you what the elevation was after I do the vid and mark it in the textual description or at the bottom as usual. It was up there we came from. There's the boardwalk back here. We're coming back down. And parking lot is down over there. And we still got a ways to go down the boardwalk here, but it's all downhill. Downhill is good. We got a bunch of flowers right next to the boardwalk here. These red ones are Indian paintbrush. The reddish ones there, as you can see. And got some more over here that we're going to look at here. More the Indian paintbrush. There's that purple daisy there, but a lot of these Indian paintbrushes here, the red ones here. All right. We got more flowers here. Lots of flowers here. Some of those Indian paintbrushes down there. All these yellow ones here. Back here. Lots of them. Right alongside the boardwalk here. Got that purple daisy. And if you look up here in the boardwalk, there's people walking. And you got all the flowers right here. I don't see too many bees. More of the purple daisies over there. Alright, let's come back down in here. Some of these guys here. Alright. Well, coming back down the boardwalk here, almost down the parking lot. See some blue sky today. See some blue sky. It's rare here all week. We haven't been able to see blue sky and some clouds up there because of the smoke, the hazy smoke from all the forest fires coming from hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles away here. But look at that blue sky. Blue sky is beautiful, beautiful blue sky. Those wispy clouds up there. All right, nice breeze here. It's hot, sunny and hot here. But kind of steep going down, of course, was steep going up. And I'm kind of leaning back on this because of the angle that this is. And of course, we have Shadow Man in there. All right, Shadow Man. Okay, gotta watch where we're going, but it's like the Great Wall of China that's really steep here. So here we go.